3 years ago, we created content from scratch. Now with Templafy, we click some buttons and we automate that process. It's extremely easy and straightforward. I don't know if we can really live without it anymore. I'm Jason Baer, Senior Manager of our Digital Strategy Group at Adobe. 65% of our sellers' time is spent on administrative tasks. Once we uncovered it, there was no turning back. It was something we absolutely had to fix. Before we had Templafy, when a rep was putting together a deck, we learned that they actually went to 7 different sources typically to put together a deck. And not only 7 sources, but each one of those sources, they would have to download, say, an 80-page deck, edit it, take out the pieces they wanted, go to the second source, the third source, the fourth source. So the problem we had was that reps on average were spending an hour or so to create each deck. We learned about Templafy, and after we ran the pilot, the results were actually that they saved 72% of their time building presentations. So this almost gave them a month back of their time to work, which was remarkable. The new world with Templafy, essentially they are doing their work now in PowerPoint, which to me is one of the most exciting things about Templafy, is that they just have this 2 buttons. One is a content library, the other one is a template. They click the buttons, they select all their slides that are all preloaded, it automatically renders their deck. So it's a very, very simple process for them. Training, we find, takes about 5 to 10 minutes per sales team, and they're off and running. One thing that was really interesting was the adoption, how fast it actually happened. So our pilot started in, I believe it was September, and within the first month, people were already using Templafy that far exceeded the usage of the tool that they used to use. Then we got bombarded with other sales groups wanting to get Templafy as well, but the adoption was much easier than I expected. The second is I'm really fascinated with this notion of templates, where they can literally just fill out a questionnaire and it dynamically builds the deck for them. So we really want to focus on that. I think that's really the magic of Templafy right now. And third, I'd be remiss if I didn't share that I'm very excited about the AI possibilities, whether it's connecting to existing models or some of the Microsoft Copilot features that are getting integrated. I think that's really going to supercharge it, and that really aligns with our goals because we're really focused on AI and what it can bring to the business. And I'm just really excited how that's going to come together with Templafy because I just think the possibilities are extremely exciting.